So, sir, what inspired you to become a psychiatrist, and what was the most rewarding part of your career?
Mhm. So what inspired me because I got my father. My father is a psychiatrist, so I saw him and then saw psychiatrist at an early age. So that's what inspired his stories of his teacher. Was a big, great doctor, Dr. Vikay Sagar. He's considered the pioneer of community psychiatry in India. So he was the one who unshackled, who allowed families to stay with the patients. Earlier, patients used to be in asylum बुलाया जाता सब जगह. So they used to be in asylum. दवा को कोई मिलना नहीं. So what he did is when he was in Amritsar and later when he came to Rohtak, so he put in tents. It's tents. तो फैमिली में रहती थी पेशेंट में रखो तो वो आते थे राउंड लगाए तो सुबह टेंट्स में राउंड लगाते सो दैट बिकेम वेरी सो दैट पीपल कुड एक्सेप्ट देयर फैमिली एंड के बीमार है तो क्या हुआ सो दो स्टोरीज इंस्पायर मी and because he was directly working on it, that inspired him to become a psychiatrist. Second reason for doing this was uh, I was very curious since early age about common numbers. So I thought kidnap learning words in my favorite year to understand man better. That's it. That's it.
So you had science in your school,
Yeah.
and can you
So
tell us about the journey?
So to become a psychiatrist, you have to do MBBS first. So for MBBS, you need to take science stream first.
Look, we have three students from science stream.
Yeah. So if you want to become a doctor, you become a psychiatrist, you become a doctor first. If you become a psychologist, then you don't need that stream. And you can go for art stream also. That's a separate. So another question which can come as a corollary is what is the difference between psychologists and psychiatrists? A lot of people have this query. It's like different between an orthopedician and a physiotherapist. क्योंकि वो नाम से अलग है इट्स ईजियर फॉर पीपल टू रिमेंबर यहाँ पे नाम साइकोलॉजी साइकाट्री ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर है तो कंफ्यूजन है सो साइकोलॉजिस्ट आर पीपल हु आर ट्रेन इन काउंसलिंग थेरेपी assessments. Psychiatrist is the one who's trained in human body. So he or she can give medicines, can give ECT. Okay, there are newer therapies like RTMS, injections. All that can be given by a psychiatrist because they have understanding of human body. Like a physiotherapist, physiotherapist can do, they cannot do surgeries. They cannot write medicines, but they can do exercises for the body. Similarly, exercises for the mind or therapies for the mind from the psychologist. Assessments, IQ assessments, personality assessments, ADHD assessments, autism assessments are done by usually psychologists. Psychiatrists can also do, but we don't pay that much rent. So they end up doing that. Psychologists. We end up doing a lot more medications and other assistance. That's a patient who's very sick. You need to admit that patient. You need to inject that patient with the medicine to become better. That is done by a psychiatrist. So if you want to become a psychiatrist, you have to do science stream and DBS and NI. If you want to be a psychologist, then even art stream you also can. You can also go to science stream. That far.
So, like, what are the most common mental health issues that come across in teenagers today, and why are they increasing numbers so much?
I think one of see what is most common in what do you call this common mental health disorders are anxiety and depression. So those are like common cold. सबको जुकाम हो जाता है, सबको खांसी हो जाता है, like that. So in having anxiety or having some mild depression is very common in general population. For teenagers, usually the issues you see is exam anxiety, social anxiety, mind depression. That can happen in youngsters. And today, because there's a higher awareness of mental health disorders, people come to us. पहले लोग आते नहीं थे, पहले उनको पता नहीं लगता. So they used to take a lot of time before they come to us. Now, if any of you have any problem, your parents will identify, you yourself will identify, and will come to us. पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था. तो जो स्टिग्मा था ना साइकाट्री का, वो कम हो गया है. इससे people come to us much easier, much faster. So but it's not that but there's another thing saying that आजकल बच्चों में बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम पड़ गई. ऐसा नहीं है, आइडेंटिफिकेशन बेटर हो. Identification better. Okay? You see, India's largest number of diabetic patients, India's largest number of hypertensive patients. ऐसा नहीं हो पेरेंट्स थे, बट इट्स जस्ट दैट कि उसका अवेयरनेस, उसका रिकॉग्निशन बढ़ गया. सो दैट्स आवर प्लस. बट एक इसमें इम्पॉर्टेंट बात ये भी हमें याद रखनी चाहिए, जो मोस्ट crippling or most serious psychiatric disorders start between the age of 15 to 25. So जैसे OCD, schizophrenia, bipolar depression, bipolar, unipolar depression and substance use. ये पांचों जो disorders हैं which can persist throughout life, which will create lot of dysfunction for an individual, ये इसी एज में, because mind अभी ना थोड़ा mature नहीं हुआ था. And as a teenager, your mind is under a lot of pressures. पढ़ाई भी अच्छा करना है, दोस्तों के साथ भी अच्छा रहना है, करियर के बारे में सोचना है, मम्मी पापा से तो रेबल चल रहा है, अपनी भी तो बहुत सारा कन्फ्यूजन होगा माइंड, फ्लक्स में होता नहीं. तो आप इंडिपेंडेंट भी बनना चाहते हो, लेकिन आप इंडिपेंडेंट को भी नहीं, तो वो फ्रिक्शन चल रही होती है, राइट. और पीयर ग्रुप का प्रेशर, पीयर ग्रुप आपको कैसे देख रहा है, वो बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो वो सारे जो प्रेशर चल रहे हैं, करियर का प्रेशर है, वो सब एक डेवलपिंग माइंड प्रेशर डाला. तो ये बड़ा स्वप्न जो.
So, like you talked about anxiety and depression, can you tell us that how we as students can differentiate between normal stress, like everybody has before exams, and mental health conditions like anxiety or Jewish?
It's a very good question. I think it's important to clarify that because आज ज़्यादातर बच्चे आज के इंस्टाग्राम पे वो रील्स देख के वो सेल्फ डैमेजेस कर लेता है. And that's not.
I'll tell you something. I teach them psychology, and most of them tell me, "Ma'am, I have social anxiety." Because they don't even know what exactly clinically that term means, but just because they don't want to be in social gatherings, then tell me they have social anxiety. So yes, they need to.
Similarly, ADHD बहुत लोग अपने आप को सेल्फ डायग्नोज कर देते हैं. But I think what is important is, तो बड़ा simple है, which I've been telling you many years. If we have a mental health issue, it will affect the functioning in one of the three domains: personal domain, family or social domain, and occupational domain. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? Let's say you're very depressed. You don't want to take bath, you don't eat food, you don't even want to brush your teeth, just lying in bed all day. ठीक है, और आपका कहाँ पे डिस्फंक्शन आ रहा है? पर्सनल. सपोज आपको कुछ हो रहा है, आप बहुत एंग्री हो या बहुत फॉटी हो, और या आप बहुत अग्रेसिव हो रहे हो, एंड इट इज़ अफेक्टिंग योर सोशल वेल्थ, या आपका लेट्स से कंसंट्रेशन नहीं है, या आप बहुत ऑब्सेसिव हो गए हो चीज़ों को लेके, तो आपका ऑक्यूपेशनल डोमेन खराब है, पढ़ाई में फोकसिंग नहीं कर रहा, टाइम नहीं दे पा रहे. सो व्हेन समबडी गेट्स अफेक्टेड इन वन ऑफ द थ्री डोमेन्स, देन इट बिकम्स अ पावर. सो जैसे मैम ने एग्जांपल बोला सोशल एंजाइटी का, अगर आप पार्टी में जाना चाहते हैं और आपको जाने से घबराहट है, बेचैनी हो रही है, यू डोंट वांट टू गो, यू फील वेरी एंग्शियस, पैल्पिटेशंस हो रहे हैं, बिल्कुल जा ही नहीं सकते, बिल्कुल नहीं जा सकते, डिस्पाइट बीइंग अ वेरी कंफर्टेबल एटमॉस्फेयर, देन इट कुड बी सोशल एंजाइटी. आपका मन ही नहीं जाने का पार्टी में, जस्ट बिकॉज आप जा रहे हैं, आप जाना नहीं चाहते, बट फोमो हो रहा है आपको कि यार मैं नहीं जा रहा हूँ बस, लेकिन मन भी नहीं है जाने का, क्यों, आपको बात करना है. That's not social anxiety. So social anxiety disorder में it's a disorder. It's not a, so वहाँ पे आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब बुरा हाल हो जाएगा, मतलब यू का पैनिक हो जाता है, पैनिक अटैक आ जाता है, या cause उससे वो टोटली मॉम, you can't even enter that hall or enter that place. वैसे होगा. So not just because मेरा मन नहीं हो रहा था, मैं कहीं मैं नहीं जा रहा, तो मेरे को सोचिए it's not that. मैं 2 दिन उदास हो गया, that's not depression. So there are diagnostic criteria for all disorders. For depression, you have to be low mood, that is pervasive almost all the time, most of the time, for a period of at least 2 weeks. Not for 5 minutes, not for 10 minutes, not for 1 day or 2 days. देखो आप एग्जाम में फेल हो गए अनएक्सपेक्टेड, अब अपसेट हो गए, 2 दिन आप अपसेट हैं, तीसरे दिन आप ठीक हो गए, दैट इज नॉट डिप्रेशन, दैट्स अ नॉर्मल ह्यूमन रिएक्शन. आपको एग्ज़ाम में आप बैठे हो, एक सडन क्वेश्चन आउट ऑफ व्यू आ गया, आपने बहुत अच्छे प्रिपरेशन की होगी, आपका अब सारा हौसला ही गया, वहाँ पैनिक हो गया, दैट डजंट मीन यू हैव एग्ज़ाम फोबिया। एग्ज़ाम फोबिया वाले एग्ज़ाम ही नहीं देने जाए। सो ये इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड। सो साइकियाट्री हम क्या बोल, मैं क्या बता समझाता हूँ लोगों को, यू टू लुक एट द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ द सिचुएशन एंड यू टू लुक एट द क्वालिटी ऑफ द सिम्टम एंड क्वांटिटी ऑफ द सिम्टम। जैसे मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही है इंसोम्निया में, है ना, इंसोम्निया सुना है ना आपने, बट इंसोम्निया इट्स नॉट दैट कि आपको 2 दिन नींद नहीं है तो आपको इंसोम्निया डायग्नोसिस होना है, नो, इट हैज़ टू बी देयर for most of the days for last 1 month you're not able to sleep properly, and that means not to sleep properly का मतलब क्या है कि you're not able to sleep for more than 4 to 5 hours, जिस बार आप 7-8 hours सोते थे, क्या 15 hours सोने का, ये नहीं तुम रात को 4 बजे सो रहे हो और दोपहर को 12 बजे उठ रहे हो, बोलो जी insomnia, that's not insomnia, that's delayed sleep, you know. So it's very important for us to understand. So quality of the symptom and quantity of the symptom is both important, and context in that which is happening, right? So let's say there is a the major tragedy in the society, earthquake आ गया है, कोई fire हो गई या कुछ हो गया है, lot of people died and everybody around feeling sad because of the tragedy in their community, that doesn't mean everybody has depression, because that's the context is कि everybody should be sad at that time. So that's what जैसे COVID में था, right? People were scared. That was normal phenomenon. Everybody was scared कि पता नहीं कब हालात बना रहे, पोर हमारी फैमिली में क्या हो. So that's the difference. So this is also, it's important to understand the context in the situation and the quality and the quantity.
My question to you is that, that what are some early warning signs that indicate that the student should actually seek professional help instead of trying to solve a problem in their own?
That's a good question. सबसे most important, most of the psychiatric disorder and mental health issues, first thing that disturbs is me. आपने देखा होगा कि अगर मैं बहुत परेशान हूँ, मैं बहुत अपसेट हूँ, नींद हो जाती, एंड कहते हैं ना यू सी बोर इट, कहते हैं एक कहावत है, सो दैट योर माइंड क्लियर्स, क्लटर कम हो जाता, एंड देन यू विल थिंक दैट. सो इफ यू हैव ए रिड्यूस स्लीप, नॉट डिलेड, लेकिन अब 4-5 बजे हो गए, शाम को 5 को नहीं, और सो कम रहेगा, आपको किसी से बात करने का मन नहीं करता, यू हैविंग लॉट ऑफ नेगेटिव थॉट्स, you're having thoughts like I want to live, life is not worth living, you're having crying spells, repeated crying spells. So ये जो है ना, ये साइंस है कि आप डिप्रेशन की तरफ जाते, ये जो पेशेंट खुद सोचेगा. फैमिली के लिए जो रेड साइंस होंगे, रेड फ्लैग्स होंगे, वो ये होंगे कि तो बच्चा है वो कटा कटा फील कर रहा है, फैमिली से वो बात ही नहीं कर रहा, वो चुप हो गया, विड्रॉन हो गया, नहा नहीं रहा कई दिन में, खाना नहीं खा रहा, कब्बे को अंधेरा करके रखा हुआ है, ये डार्क थिंग्स जो है ना, आजकल बच्चे तो गॉथिक थिंग्स जा रहे थे, राइट. हाँ, मतलब दैट माइंड इज गोइंग इन दैट डायरेक्शन ना, गॉथिक चीज़ें सोचा, नेगेटिव चीज़ें सोचा है, तो दैट इज अ साइन कि माइंड इज अपसेट टुवर्ड्स. सो दिस वाज द साइन.
You talked about how people self-diagnose themselves these days using Instagram and other social media networks. So, not just the content, but as in like the whole of social media, how does it affect us as adolescents, our minds?
Again, so that's an see there are, so मैंने कॉन्सेप्ट बनाया है, डाइट तो पता है ना आपको, डाइट. So what you eat is what you become. एक तरीके से कहा होगा, right? Suppose you eat junk food, you'll have mind and have Chinese stuff. Your body में जान जा रहा. You eat healthy stuff, your body is busy. Similar is something called mental diet. What are you absorbing every day through your 5 senses? आप horror movies देख रहे हो, आप bloodshed देख रहे हो, आप violence देख रहे हो, आप abusive stuff देख रहे हो, माइंड में हो जाएगा, तो वही वैसे ही आपका व्यवहार हो जाएगा, आपका चरित्र भी वैसा हो जाएगा. एंड दिस इज वाई peer group is very important. What kind of peer group you are having? So if you want to have a more focused and better thought processes in your mind, be careful of what you observe. Be careful of what you are watching. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा आप हॉरर में देखो, बट मैंने कितने बच्चे देखे जो हॉरर मूवी देखने हमने कहीं मारो दे आ गए, बिकॉज छोटा बच्चा है ना, जब आप छोटे होते 12, 13, 14 साल के, तो माइंड इज वेरी इम्प्रेशनेबल. What you see is gets imprinted in your subconscious mind, not conscious mind. So बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है उस पर. So I remember, so many people. So let's not take cases here, but I've seen many people, it was watching horror or Jadoo Dona. The kids started believing on that stuff. They started thinking, हमें हमारे साथ ये ऐसा हो. So it's very important what kind of stuff you wear पर बच्चा. So coming to social media. So social media, na. So what does social media want from you?
Never stop watching.
Exactly. So what they want is grab your time. और अनफॉर्चुनेटली अब क्या हो रहा है, सोशल मीडिया में ना दो तरीके है. जो मैं अपने एक डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट फ्रेंड से बात करा, कहते हैं आसिम में इतनी सारी लड़कियाँ आ रही हैं कॉन्शियस अबाउट देयर अपीयरेंस. सो मच अपीयरेंस, नॉट बॉयज़, गर्ल्स. अगर माँ बाप दुखी हैं कि गर्ल्स आर ऑलवेज फोकस्ड ऑन कि मेरे को ऐसे नहीं लगेगी, ऐसे लगना है, वैसे लगना है. ये तो बॉयज़ क्यों नहीं आए हैं? सो प्रॉब्लम क्या है सोशल मीडिया में, दे हैव need, when they know you are a female, they'll bombard you with beauty products or beauty or how beautiful do you look and all this and all that. लड़कों को फील्ड में वो नहीं आए, लड़कों को फील्ड में आएगा sexual stuff. So what they're trying to do is this social media, the Instagram especially. So boys they'll take towards porn side, porn addiction. वो girls they'll take towards beauty addiction. Beauty addiction वो use कर कि मेरी नाक ऐसी है, मेरी ये ऐसा, ये करा लो, वो करा लो, ऐसे कर. No, so this is how they are. The kids get engaged in that because they are working on your insecurities. They're working on your desires. Who doesn't want to look beautiful? So if girl के लिए फिर वो ऐसे focus करके, boys के भी addiction towards this. So this is very dangerous. So what is the best way out? Not to have Instagram. Very best way out. Second best way out is if you use an Instagram account, be very clear. जैसे मेरे को भी, let me openly share it, जब मैं जाता था, जब मैंने ना स्टार्ट किया तो lot of डेटिंग का आ गया मेरे को, डेटिंग के लिए आना है, वुमेन इन योर एरिया आना है, तो आई कंटिन्यू टू से नो डू इट. तो मेरा क्यूरेट हो गया वो था. सो दिस दे रियलाइज दिस मैन इज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन सच मैन. आई डोंट नीड दैट स्टफ, बट वो बार बार बम्बार्ड करें बिकॉज आई एम मेल ऑफ सच एंड सर्टन एज ग्रुप, जिसको बंगना मैंने इनको ऐसे बनना. So you have to be smarter than these protocols, these algorithms. तुम ध्यान रखो, तुम्हारे को खिलाएंगे, तुम उनको खिलाओ. So anytime you see anything which is negative, not interesting, you won't watch it. You dislike it. There's an option to dislike it. So slowly do it too. So I get this, all I get is a lot of travel stuff. I get a lot of, healthy stuff. Because I curated my algorithm. अगर आप algorithm को चलने दोगे अपने हिसाब से तो कुछ भी हो जाए. So we have to be very careful. तो आप कर सकते हैं. Be smarter than me. कोशिश तो करिए सब.
Yes, whatever we talk, our phones listen.
Yeah.
Instagram, it's not that place, and it will give us all that stuff. So if I'm talking about to my husband about something, the same day I'll get the same thing in my feed.
Exactly. 100%. That is true. Although because they are given the permission.
Yes.
So but ठीक है, it's a necessary evil. You take Instagram, but you should also learn how to deal with AI. He's smarter than the technology. So एक टाइम भी होता है, पर एक टाइम के बाद आप इतने घंटे देखो Instagram छोड़ दो. So I think it's important. My son didn't have an Instagram account till he got into college. तुम्हारी शुरू से. He didn't join. He was conscious about it. That's it all. It does see end the day. आपको लग. This is where there are people now to promote their kids to go and do Instagram reels. Suppose, man, what is the long-term outcome of that? What will happen? मतलब आपको क्या मिलेगा? आप सोचो सकेगा कितनी देर दी है?
कुछ टाइम.
Exactly, मैं मतलब कितनी देर पता क्योंकि मेरे साथ खुद हो जब नया फेसबुक आया था. So Facebook पे I was a lot. I would post, मेरे तो बड़ा बेटा पैदा हुआ, मैंने इसको फोटो एडो दे डाल दी, बहुत लाइक्स आ गए, वेरी खुश. फिर डाल दी, फिर डाल दी, 1 महीने के 10 महीने. और वो टाइम आई रियलाइज जो एल्गोरिथम्स आर वेरी ट्रिकी. अगर आपको 100 लाइक आ गए किसी चीज़ के और अभी बार 50 आए, डू नॉट हैपन. So you're not looking at how many people have liked it. Looking at only the number. So what is doing? It is making you addicted towards that thing.
Right. And then maybe you'll think I post something interesting.
So लोग बहुत देर आते को यंगस्टर्स की कभी डेथ हो जाती है because they doing reels and some very risky places just to get those likes. वो dopamine hit के लिए आप अपनी लाइफ को खराब कर. So end of the day you have to realize कि मतलब the like button था ही नहीं, like button बाद में आया. The like button बहुत important है, you put to get addicted to it. So this is very कि क्या कर लोगे मतलब what fee? So but once you get addicted to that kind of a thing, फिर बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है उससे अनुकूल. आपको अगर 1 million लाइक्स आ गए, 1 million, अगले दिन आपको 500,000 लाइक्स आए तो आप खुश नहीं हो. 500,000 लाइक्स कम नहीं होते. It becomes very very difficult, right? To realize, because mind is ऐसा. That once we realize that this is how it should be, we should be okay. What are we you? So sorry. So what is, why are we going on social media? Or to clear actually. What do you want to do on social media? If you have that those ideas clear, कि मुझे ना ये इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें देनी. Sometimes because I like travel, तो मैं travel का बहुत अच्छे वाइट बोर्ड के अलग जगह से अपनी चीज़ों देखनी थी, कहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, कहाँ पे क्या चल रहा है. So you like that. So then you know this is the purpose of me. If you don't know what is the purpose of being, then you get lost. This will doom story कहते हैं, it is endless.
So I was saying that when they don't get that much likes, then self-doubt comes in. Then they will start questioning themselves कि there is something wrong with me and I need to like negative way में चले जाएंगे वो कि मेरे अंदर ही कुछ है. Start asking themselves, questioning themselves, their body, everything.
हाँ, क्या मुझे लोग पसंद नहीं करते, क्या मैंने कुछ गलत किया है, why did they do that? मेरे दोस्त कहने. So that they so those social media companies knows how to grab the human attention. हाँ, ये क्या weaknesses है, उनको उपयोग कर.
So, sir, I wanted to ask you that when someone is experiencing panic attack, anxiety, or overwhelming emotions, what immediate coping strategies can they use until they receive professional help?
So first thing you have to remember that panic attack does not kill anyone. क्योंकि उसको thought ही आता है कि मैं मर. So when panic attack, it's a very severe sensation. Heartbeat fast हो जाती है, सांस नहीं आती है. ऐसा लगता है कि अगर या तो I will die or I go mad. See a very intense state of fear. But it passes away after some time. So I think what is important is the people around, if they can support the person, hold their hands, and massage the back, सिर्फ शांत है. The person खुद अकेले है. Maybe they have to listen to some music, or just try to control their breathing. That should them calm. But once they're done, if this has happened 2-3 times, then it's better to consult a doctor and you take medicines for it and look for a possible what is the cause. But this can be separated. This is important to remember. Nothing will happen to it. It looks like something will happen to it. Nothing will happen. It's a kind of attack. Nothing. It looks very dangerous. Throw rubber.
I have one more question. If a student wants to help their friend who may be suffering from mental health issue, they're not sure about career, how should they approach them? How should they clarify? And what should they avoid to?
If your friend had a mental health problem, you ought to help them, right? So, this is अलग नाम है. So, why do we have counselors in the school? हमारे टाइम में तो नहीं रहते थे. This is exactly why Mount Palmer recognizes that each school has at least one counselor. Some have even more than 100 children, so ताकि the kid, if this kid doesn't want to go to maybe kid doesn't want to share with the parents, right? And kid does not go to the doctor. So we need a middle person. जो teacher जैसी है, but she has more understanding. So maybe counselor, a school counselor is less. They're better. If you see the kid is, let's say your friend has got into, you might put $17 addictions. सारी got into vape और बुक्का या अल्कोहल में चला गया और आपको पता है. अब आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा कि इनका दोस्त कैसे बचा है. The first is to try and counsel, because जो एडिक्शन अभी स्टार्ट जाता है ना इस एज में, और मुश्किल होता है हमको बाद नहीं छूटती और ब्रेन विद वायर्ड वैसे हो जाए. Then you have couple of things you can do. First, try and talk to the friend. If not, try and talk to the counselor. If not, then try and talk to the parents. The बच्चों को बचाना ज़रूरी है, no? But it's also important to not scold the kid, but make them understand कि अगर आप अभी करोगे बेटा नहीं बाद में फिर आपसे छूटेगा when you why do people do this for fun or for show off or to look bold इसलिए करते हैं और अपनी बस है वैसे चीज़ होती है
Um, if I like talk about nutrition and exercise, they're mostly effective for the body. But what effects do they have on the mental health? Why are they good for the mental health?
nutrition. I mean, like I said before, what we eat is what we depend. So if you eat nutritious food will have all kinds of nutrients. So हमारे each body के cell में ना there are micronutrients required. You know, there are certain metals with iron, zinc, you know, calcium, magnesium, all that is required. Plus there are vitamins, you know, vitamin A, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. So all that is required, which you get from healthy food. And all of them keep your brain cells also healthy. So brain cells per healthy, that's it. And there's another thing which has happened, which is been now into more focus is gut-brain axis. So gut, if gut is not healthy, then brain doesn't connect. So gut-brain axis also is very, very important now. They're looking at why certain foods improve your mood and why certain foods depress your mood. So they're looking at that first. So eating healthy is always the best way. So let's let me share the secrets for a good memory. That is better. There is some of it, right? So let's look at what are the components of a good mental health. First and most important is sleep. So sleep is very important. Sleeping regularly, sleeping well is very important. Second is exercise. Exercise helps. Exercise is actually known now to help with mild depression. So in mild depression, just by exercise also can help. No need for medicine. No need for therapy. So exercise is very, very important. Exercise recharges the whole body. Exercise uses so many chemicals which makes us happy. So exercise. Diet. Healthy diet is very, very important. And I also mentioned physical diet and also mental diet. So both of them have a very good role to play because आप अच्छे विचार सुन रहे हो अच्छे विचार देख रहे हो अच्छे लोगों से डिस्कशन कर रहे हो you know so that also affects your mind and obviously what you're eating also affects your mind and health and fourth having a hobby क्योंकि हमारा जितना भी एजुकेशन है मोस्टली इट्स लेफ्ट ब्रेन लॉजिकल जितनी भी हॉबीज है ना वो राइट ब्रेन राइट विद गार्डनिंग लिटिंग पेंटिंग सिंगिंग डांस सो उससे क्या होता है कि ब्रेन के दोनों एरियाज इन्वॉल्व होते हैं एंड दिस बेटर सिंट्रावर्स सो हैविंग अ हॉबी also unwinds you from the too much of logic thinking, right? So having a hobby, good diet, exercise, sleep, and good for youngsters, good peer group. आपका peer group दो तरह के होते हैं एक peer group होता है जो सिर्फ गप्पे मारने की होती है right मतलब they just gossip is not bad gossip is fine but just gossip and no depth no sharing of anything new or better वो वाले जो ग्रुप्स होते हैं लंबे नहीं चलते एक होती है दोस्तियाँ जो लंबी चलती हैं बिकॉज यू आर शेयरिंग ईच अदर्स happiness and sorrows, learning together, planning career together. Those friendship last for a long time. It also helps you grow, right? चार लोगों की रोज बुराइयां करने से ग्रोथ तो नहीं होती ना किसी को यही पता नहीं लगा कि वो बुराइयां कर सकते हैं. You find more spice. So when you're doing that kind of stuff, so peer group is very very important for a young mind. Later also in life, but for young now. And sixth, if possible. So 5 minutes चीज़ें बता दूँ. Sixth if it's possible, meditation. Meditation, I think आने वाले टाइम में स्कूल में सिखाना शुरू कर देंगे. जितने become part of the curriculum because it is not known to help the brain and the body stabilize better, become more harmonious. तो I think ये करीब 6 चीज़ें हम देखें. Sleep, exercise, diet, hobbies, your growth, and the sixth not in hurry. Because we cannot change our genes. अगर मेरे अंदर डिप्रेशन के जीन्स है मेरे अंदर एडिक्शन भी जीन गया, तो डिल्यूशन से आ रहा है. 7th थिंग, स्टे अवे फ्रॉम ड्रग्स और एंगर. You say, नहीं नहीं डॉक्टर विशाल ऐसे कैसे, मतलब everybody is doing things these days, or, at least when I grow up, at least like, I should be allowed to. But if you drink after the age of 25, then the chance of you becoming addict is much lower. But because brain doesn't mature in 21. Brain not matures when it was at 25. तो that means आपने तो ग्रेजुएशन भी कर ली, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन भी कर ली, जॉब भी जानते हो सकता है आपकी शादी हो, तब वो आपका ब्रेन मेच्योर, right? So 18 and 21 are the age group, not the way we use, but 25 now we understand brain matures. पहले लगता था brain 18 में mature है. So 7th was to stay away from drugs. Right? That's more important रहेगा. So if you can do this, you are guaranteeing yourself to have good mental health. And mental health is real health. अगर माइंड ही खराब है तो आपके पास कितनी पैसे हैं या कितनी भी शोहरत है, useless. That's the motto of my TV, no? Mental health is real health.
And so, like you earlier talked about parents' role in de-addiction and all the concerns, but sometimes children also feel that parents may dismiss their emotional concerns as just a phase or overthinking. So how can we start this conversation with our parents? And if we still don't feel supported, then where can we seek help?
अभी डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन क्योंकि ये बात हमें समझनी पड़ेगी. रीजन एज नहीं, ये हर जनरेशन होती है ना, छोटी जनरेशन नई जन, वो हमारे से स्मार्ट निकली है. ओके, नॉलेज वाइज वी हैव मच मोर एक्सेस टू नॉलेज. आई हैड मच मोर एक्सेस दैट माय पेरेंट्स डिड. यू हैव मच मोर एक्सेस टू नॉलेज देन योर पेरेंट्स डिड. सो दैट यू विल बी नो स्मार्टर. एंड पेरेंट्स जो हैं, देयर इज नो कैटलॉग, there's no ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम टू बी ए पेरेंट. तो आप पेरेंटिंग जैसे सीखते हो, जो टेम्पलेट्स आपके पेरेंट्स ने सिखाए हैं वैसे आप आगे पास ऑन कर सकते हो. अगर वहाँ पे भी एक तरीके से बात व्यवहार था, वही व्यवहार आगे भी होगा, यू नो. बट आई थिंक इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट एज पेरेंट्स इन 21st सेंचुरी वी शुड हैव एन ओपन कम्युनिकेशन. हमें अपने बच्चे की बात सुननी चाहिए और उसकी बात तो हमें फिर तर्क से बताना चाहिए, नहीं बेटा तो ये ठीक नहीं, ये ठीक. दो तरह की चीज़ें हो गई हैं, या तो दैट पीपल डोंट लिसन एट ऑल, और देयर आर पीपल हु लिसन टू एवरीथिंग व्हाट किड इज सेइंग. वो भी गलत. देन द किड गेट्स वेरी पैम्पर्ड. ही डजंट नो, ही और शी डजंट नो व्हाट की नो क्या है. मम्मी पापा एक ही बच्चा है, जो मम्मी पापा क्या है वो हो रहा है, जो बच्चा क्या है वो मम्मी पापा कर रहे हैं. सो द किड डजंट नो व्हेन टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रस्ट्रेशन टॉलरेंस. फ्रस्ट्रेशन टॉल, हाउ टू टॉलरेट फ्रस्ट्रेशन इज नॉट. अगर अदर पेरेंट्स who don't listen, they are like old, like 20th century, सुन ही नहीं होता ही, जो हम बोल रहे हैं बस वही है. तो बच्चे चुपचाप कुछ करते रहते हैं, and parents get to know. So the middle ground is open communication. बच्चे की बात सुनो, देखो क्या कह रहा है. The kid may have a genuine point. If you think the kid is repeatedly saying something which does not make sense to you, you still have a communication. बट ओपन कम्युनिकेशन से बहुत चीज़ें सॉल्व हो जाए. सो नीदर बीइंग टू सबमिसिव एज ए पेरेंट कि बच्चा जो कर रहा है या करता है, टू स्ट्रिक्ट टू रिजिड कि बात ही नहीं सुन कुछ, दोनों रॉन्ग है. बट अगेन दैट डिपेंड्स फ्रॉम फैमिली टू फैमिली, फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन. बट जनरल गाइडलाइन विल बी शुड बी टू हैव एन ओपन कम्युनिकेशन.
So I wanted to ask that if you could recommend one mental health policy or everyday practice that every school should adopt to promote the students' well-being, what could it be and why?
स्कूल की बोल रही है ना, बोलो. Maybe if you start each class with just 2 minutes of silence, where the mind calms down, then you start the class. Maybe the education will be complete. जैसे आप मन करके बैठ के डीप ब्रेथ्स, 10 to 12 डीप ब्रेथ्स, बस उसके बाद स्टार्ट ब्रेथ्स. वेरी वेरी हेल्प. सिंपल है, बहुत सिंपल है. डजंट टेक मच टाइम. तो मेरे थॉट में ये है कि आई शुड पढ़ना. Why can't school have meditation weeks? देखा, what can do? Why can't have meditation? Because in 21st century, when AI will take over a lot of stuff, so the only place humans will be over and above AI will be creativity of the mind. Mind has to be extra creative to overcome that challenge. To creative, the mind comes when you educate. New ideas come in. Mind becomes expanded. That's it. Otherwise, school is always teaching yoga, exercise, which is good. मेरे ख्याल से every school should have like exercise should be part of daily routines. क्या 15 नहीं करो इससे भी lethargy at सकते हो. But I know school has other there will lot more they have here. So सबसे simple practical is maybe a minute or 2 minutes. एक class खत्म है, a minute 2 minutes. All kids are sitting, just breathing, or not even breathing. सब तो नहीं करेंगे, मानेंगे फिर Ganesh Raz, but just 2 minutes of silence. And then start the class. They'll wash off the mind, they'll reset the mind. Reboot them. Let it help. Better mental health. Well, better focus.
That's a good suggestion. Can be done.
Yeah.
And that's it. All questions done.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.